Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to wrap text around a circular image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to wrap text around the circular image. Go to the Insert menu, then click the word art option and choose any word art. Now I select the word art, then write anything. Now I write our title, then click OK. Then select the word art and click shape fill. Choose the black color. Then go to the shape effect and or select the change shape option and choose the arc up. Then resize the shape. Then go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu. Choose the circular shape and draw it. Then set the shape down the text. Now we can see we wrap text around the circular image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.